No! Wipe your fucking... What the... I don't think so. No. Yeah. Yeah. Don't lock your door. What the hell? I'm dying out there. Some guy's chasing me with a freaking knife and you're just gonna sit here and watch Three's Company? What the hell? It's not even a good one. You know she gets replaced 3 freaking times. I like this episode.
Who's talking? Yeah. It's actually 2 times. What are you saying? No, she only gets replaced up.
Hey, I'm Mitch. You don't know me. But this guy's chasing me with a knife. He wants to kill me.
Okay.
Can I come in, please?
Sure.
Hey, is Mitch here?
Hey, Mitch, you got company.
What? Oh, great.
Yeah! All right.
Help! Help! Help me! No! No! No!
What the hell? Why do you have all these weapons lying around in front of your house? I stabbed myself. You got a goddamn ski pole lying out here. What?
I can go get you a Band-Aid for that.
And fucking Band-Aid's not gonna help me! I've been stabbed!